Hi guys, this is OPTA-BH003 Bluetooth foldable headphone over the head. Hi friends, let's start the real unboxing. So this is a hard rock box which I'm trying to kill, but it's too difficult. So let's do it normally. Uh, okay, it's been taped 1,000 times I guess. Okay, now after skipping the part, let's remove this. So we have a first box. I've ordered two Bluetooth headphones. First is strangely with no seal, no outer plastic. Let's open that. Second one is looks good. Maybe this one is a return product. So this is the box. It's a hard case, very good and very durable one. So let's open it. Good. So this one is a Bluetooth. I ordered it for especially calling, and I wanted active noise cancellation. It does mention that it has active noise cancellation, but I've checked it and used it, and I don't think it does have any kind of noise cancellation. So if you're buying for active noise cancellation, then don't buy this cost around 4,000 on Amazon. You get this kind of basic things with it, for charging, for aux cable, which is a good quality, gold plated, and for charging it uses micro USB, very small cable, and it charges within around 2 hours. Full charge takes 2 hours, and this is something which you can use to split the audio and mic thing and connect to other device. So this is the one. Let's remove this. So the ear cups are very comfortable. They are very big. The so you won't find any kind of problem with it. And after removing this, you see three buttons. One is play, pause, and another one is volume up and down. This one is with uh, ANC, which is active noise cancellation. It doesn't work at all, so it's useless. It's just a gimmick. You can play it, you can pause. It's a multi-utility button at the middle to start and or turn off the device. So this is the product. If you're buying it, you can buy it, but only for listening to music and other things. But apart from that, it is useless. This is how you connect the USB, micro USB for charging. Just connect it to one end, and where is it? And then keep it like this, and it will charge. Sorry, I'm just joking. You need to charge it with your laptop or some other power source. And this is the cable for aux. You can put one end here, very tightly fit, and other end to your laptop or to your phone. Okay, and that will play the music or any kind of you can use it for calling as well, but don't expect any kind of noise cancellation, because that's why I'm sending it back to Amazon. And this is how you connect. Oh, there is it. Okay, so it plays the sound, the bass, and other treble frequencies, and everything else is absolutely fine. So for listening, it's best. For casual calling, is good, no issues at all, and it's very comfortable, cushiony, and no problem or any pain for if you use it for a longer time. So no issues with that. So, and it's looks very durable. It's a plasticky material, but it looks durable and not so heavy. It folds nicely, opens up nicely. You have adjustable length. So, but this is going back to Amazon, as it is of no use because there is no active noise cancellation. I'll leave the link at the bottom. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and keep subscribing my channel and support my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Keep safe.